Hi everyone, my name is Seppi and I'm here to show you how to make this TSUJITA LA ramen. So it's cool that I got to try this because I don't have to go all the way to LA, and it comes in this easy open package with all the ingredients inside. So let's get started. Got all the ingredients out. We see there's like the chashu pork, the noodle, the green onion, the soup base. I've set the lime on the other side, and we have some bamboo shoots. Here are the instructions. They look easy enough to follow, so I'm going to try to do this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my noodles. So let that boil for a little bit. I'm going to take my soup base and stick it in here until it's melted. Okay, so I strained the noodles, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash it in cold water. Give it a stir. I washed it in cold water. I put it in the bowl. I couldn't do it one-handed, so I had to go off camera. And then the soup base, I poured it in after it melted. I added the pork, which is at the bottom, and then the bamboo shoots on top. Here's my setup. I'm ready to eat it. And then I'm gonna like spritz some lemon. This is how I really like to eat my dipping ramen. I know it's a little weird, but it's good for me. Alright guys, I'm about to try the ramen. I've added some noodles to my sauce, like you can see here. I don't know if you can see it properly, but I'm gonna try it. And it's pretty good. It tastes like the ramen in TSUJITA, and they're the ones that make this product, so it's pretty good. I would highly recommend it to people to try it out in the comfort of your home. It's easy to make. Super delicious. I made my noodles a little bit softer because I prefer it that way, but it's the same flavoring, same taste. I'm really impressed because it's so good. I don't even want to share this. But bestramenla.com. They have 4 different types of ramen. I think they have like E.A.K, TSUJITA. If you want a discount, you can use Stephilu. It's STEPHIELU with the number 10, and you can get a discount and try as many noodles as you want. And thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy it.